Welcome back to Shib, everyone. SHIB is going to drop a zero exactly like this week. According to today's Shiba Inu news, the SHIB price is preparing for a breakout trade on Wednesday later in the US session. Bulls must take a chance at this point if they wish to take advantage of the momentum, as the chart indicates an inflection point with several indicators. Bulls may book up to 30% gains from this breakout trade because the price movement is supported and there is still room for more gains. We'll talk over the specifics of Shib's zero decline this week in this video. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Throughout the European session, there has been bullish intervention in the price of Shiba Inu. This Wednesday, the 200-day simple moving average, SMA, offered support, sustaining the price movement over $0.0000001000. The red declining trend line, which acts as a line in the sand for a breakout, is being brushed by bulls. Bulls and SHIB have the advantage because there are no significant resistance levels for the breakout until the 55-day SMA, which is slightly over $0.000012. This implies that if additional tailwinds from the significant gaming expo materialize, bulls may be able to recover that psychological threshold, with SHIB inflow possibly reaching $0.000130 by Friday. The green ascending trend line represents the greater negative risk. A breach might set off a catalytic move down to $0.00000738, despite the fact that the area below the $0.00001000 level is highly erratic, with the monthly S1 and the red line at $0.00000966 from the March low. Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin in the world, keeps growing its market share. The Shiba community has recently advocated for SHIB tokens to be listed on significant Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges. One of the biggest exchanges in Japan, Bitflyer, which has over 2.5 million members, declared that it will begin supporting SHIB token trading. Bitflyer made the news earlier today, on March 22. The Japan-based Bitflyer launched a SHIB handling celebration with a 10,000 Japanese yen prize fund for 20 qualified winners, but it has not yet disclosed specifics of its proposal. The campaign will launch as soon as Bitflyer begins managing SHIB, which is today, March 22. Not all Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges that support SHIB transfers are as old as Bitflyer. The Japanese arm of the San Francisco-based exchange OKCoin Japan, began processing SHIB transactions last month on February 28. Positive feedback to the Shiba Inu listing was also recorded by the exchange. Shiba Inu also noticed a significant increase in its burn rate, which increased by 4,600%, in another development. The percentage of tokens that are taken out of circulation and burned is the burn rate, which essentially reduces the overall supply of SHIB. Since it practically lowers the supply, this sharp rise in Shib's burn rate ought to raise the cryptocurrency's worth. Investors are confused since the market price of Shiba Inus hasn't moved significantly and has instead been quite consistent. The market capitalization of the Shiba Inu meme coin, as of the time of writing, is $64 billion, trading at $0.00000187. This month saw a rally in the cryptocurrency market as a whole, but SHIB was not part of it. The SHIB price has fluctuated very little over the past 2 weeks, which may indicate that large-scale traders and investors are unsure about the cryptocurrency's future. Furthermore, Shiba Inu's core development team has fallen behind schedule in releasing the Layer 2 scalability protocol, Shibarium. In addition, a number of additional projects, such as the eagerly awaited SHIB, the Metaverse, which is scheduled to debut on the Shibarium platform, are waiting for Shibarium to launch. Even though Shiba Inu has lagged behind the market's recent surge, some analysts are still optimistic. David Goldstein, a well-known cryptocurrency enthusiast, recently stated that his wager on SHIB hitting 1 cent is still in effect, while Balaji Srinivasan is betting on Bitcoin to hit $1 million. But this would represent a huge 100-fold increase over the current SHIB price. Goldstein has threatened to remove his 700,000-follower Twitter account if it doesn't happen. A cryptocurrency wallet with a sizable quantity of Shiba Inu tokens is transferring money to exchanges. Past data indicates that if the possessor were to sell the tokens, the value would drop temporarily. More than 182 billion Shiba Inu tokens were transferred by wallet 0xD6 to cryptocurrency exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com on Monday during the Asian early hours, according to information from analytics company LukinChain. The same wallet transferred over 200 billion SHIB to Crypto.com 3 months earlier, where they were sold for US dollars. Then, Shib's price dropped by 7%. Price action can be observed by following the flow of tokens out of wallets that contain a sizable quantity of supply. If a lot of tokens are sold, the market may see a decrease in price as more tokens become accessible. Nevertheless, prices might not decrease right away if the tokens are transferred to relevant decentralized finance (DeFi) services. According to additional scan data, wallet 0xD6 is holding more than 3.1 trillion SHIB tokens, which are currently worth over $40 million. This is just over 0.3% of the Shiba Inu token supply overall. According to LukinChain, the wallet invested 10 Ether, ETH, or little over $3,000, at the beginning in order to obtain Shiba Inu tokens in August 2020. Despite a spike in the price of Bitcoin, the Shiba Inu coin has been trading sideways. While Bitcoin struggles against its $28,000 barrier, the meme coin is currently trailing behind the majority of altcoins. As investors wait for the debut of Shib's Layer 2 network, the company's price chart seems to be the quiet before the storm. As of press time on Friday, SHIB had modest gains of 0.85%. At $0.00000167, the well-known meme coin is up 10.8% from its monthly lows and 32% from its year-to-date highs. Shib's price looks to be sideways accumulating right now, suggesting that a significant move could be approaching. Recently, the much-anticipated introduction of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain has dominated SHIB headlines. For the meme coin community, this is one of the most anticipated events since it may put pressure on the price of Shiba Inu coins to rise. The date of the mainnet debut has not yet been disclosed, and the creators of the new blockchain are still playing it tight. On the other hand, the network's public beta version went live on March 11th. A community member in the Discord noted that the usage of a chain ID from an existing blockchain has hurt the excitement surrounding the new meme coin blockchain. The price has formed a lower low on the daily chart, as can be seen in the following SHIB chart. This is interpreted by technical experts as a sign of weakness and the beginning of a possible downward trend. In addition, the price is trading below its 200-day moving average and consolidating below the $0.00000186 support. Based on the Ethereum blockchain, the KOYO token is a decentralized finance (DeFi) project that seeks to offer a platform where users may access a variety of financial services, such as lending, borrowing, and staking in a decentralized way. The KOYO token, the site's native cryptocurrency, is used to pay for access to the several financial services available on the platform. The token has a market capitalization of just $8.4 million and is ranked 3,180 on CoinMarketCap. However, in the last 10 days, the project has burned an astounding 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens, or almost $50,000, greatly adding to Shib's token burn over the previous 2 weeks. The question of whether the statistics are reliable has even been raised by this amount. Shiba Inu's specialized burn tracker, however, has verified the figures lately. Through the burn portal, Shiba Inu tokens were burned, and the KOYO token address served as verification of the burned tokens. And that concludes our day. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.